was filming the turkeys. Old girl came in with the orphan fawns. Now some other deer have shown up too. 3 or 4 more does and a fawn or two. Yep, I think that might be the little buck down there. Turkeys, I think, are out front. I think I hear them out there. They throw bird seed out front too. Boy, I'm widened out as far as I can get. I should have got a different lens. I got the wrong lens. Oh well. I'll have to make it work. Oh girl, you're a sweetheart. You've been a good stepmom to those orphans. Yes, you have. She really has. She's so sweet. Not all the does are like that. I saw a yearling being really sweet to those orphans one day. Both of them grooming them and loving on them, basically. So they've had help. They haven't been all alone in the world. I hadn't seen them in a few days, though. I was wondering. Several days, actually. I haven't seen them until just now. I'm glad to see them again. There's Tiny right there, the closest one. She's still so little, but she seems to be doing okay. Hang in there, Tiny. You'll make it. Stick with old girl. She's a good lady.